Welcome to 2025. Snowy day in Toronto. And where was the snow on the 25th? We did not have a white Christmas. Anyway, it's a wonderful time to dismantle my tree. It's therapeutic for me in a way. A slow, deliberate process that allows me to reflect on the season that just passed. As I take down each ornament, it feels like I'm packing away not just memories, but also the emotional highs and lows of the holidays. It's a time to process everything that came with the season. The love, the chaos, the bittersweet moments, and I gently let it go. The holidays are such a unique time of the year, filled with joy, nostalgia, and sometimes a touch of emotional weight. They do bring people together, but they can also remind us of what's changed, the loved ones we've lost, traditions that have evolved, or even personal milestones that we didn't quite reach. Anyway, for me, dismantling my Christmas tree has become quite the ritual that I look forward to. There's something about the repetition, removing each piece and placing it carefully where it belongs. It's like tidying up my internal space as well as my physical one. By the time the tree is bare, I don't know, I feel lighter. Like I've made room for something new, you know? For some, the act of dismantling decorations might feel sad. Maybe even like a chore. But for me, it's a ritual of closure. It's a moment to acknowledge the holiday chapter and that it's ended. And I'm ready to step into something new. Yeah. A year of clarity and intention. And here's hoping that your 2025 is one of clarity and intention. I also would like to take this opportunity to welcome all my new subscribers to my channel. I'm Sylvie, and this is The New Narrative.